Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to this course. So far we have been making standalone web page, which is very well and nice, but what makes the internet so special is that it all links all the pages together. The H and T in HTML stands for hypertext, which basically means a system of linked text. So today in this video we'll be talking about how we can create links in HTML. So using a tag called as an anchor tag, we can define a link which links to another page or URL. For example, we can link our page to a google.com. So let's have a look at how we can define a link in our HTML document. So in our document, right after our unordered list, which we defined in the previous video, I will create an h2 tag first so that we can add a question. Uh, let's say the question will be where to find this tutorial. Let's close our h2 tag. So the answer for this question will be a link which links to my YouTube channel. For example, let's open up my YouTube channel, search for future coders. That is my channel. All right, let's copy this link. All right. Now, to define a link tag, what we can do here is we'll open up a tag, which is also called as an anchor tag. Let's open up the anchor tag and let's also close the anchor tag. In between the anchor tag, it will be the text which will be displayed as a link. Let's say I will type it as future coders. So that is the text which will be displayed in place of a link. So we are not done yet. We need to define when we click on future coders, it should take us somewhere else to my YouTube channel, right? To do that, we need to define an attribute. Anchor tag will take an attribute called as href. We define href as like this, and we specify an equal to and double quotes. Inside these double quotes, we will add our link. As you can see, I have added my YouTube channel link. Like, let's see first what it will do. Let's save it. Let's refresh the page. There we have the question, and there we have our link. As you can see, in between anchor tags, we have written future coders. That is making it the link, and the destination, when I click on this link, it is going to take me to this destination. In our case, it's going to be my channel. So let's click on this. So where to find this tutorial? We'll click on this. As you can see, it takes to my YouTube channel. Let's head back to our document. So this is how you can create links in HTML. All right. So there could be two kinds of links. One is going to be an absolute and another one is going to be a relative. The link that we just defined over here is an absolute link because that is linking to another page on the internet, right? So to give one example on a relative, first of all, let's see what a relative would be. For example, if we had another file, let's say contact us page.html in the same directory, then the line of code, like how we can define a link to that page, would be called as relative link. So let's actually define those. There, where we have our HTML, let's create another file. We'll create another file and we'll save it as, inside our HTML, we'll save it as contact us.html. We'll use the extension .html. All right. So there we have our new web page. Here what I will do is I will add the basic structure of our HTML by saying doc type, and then we will define the HTML root. Let's also close the HTML. In between HTML we'll be having head tag. Let's also close the head tag. In between head, we will be defining our title. The title would be, in our case, contact us. Let's close the title tag. All right. Right after our head tag, there will be a body tag. Let's define the body tag. So inside this body, I will simply be adding an S2 tag saying contact me, and finally I will be adding a paragraph with my email. For example, let's add contact me at gmail.com. All right, let's save this and let's open up this in a browser. We'll open with Google Chrome. As you can see, there we have created another HTML page. Now what I want to do is I want to link this together. I will be creating another link. When I click on this, I want this page to open. So how can I do it? Let's add one more question here. Let's say how to contact me. Let's close the h2 tag, and here I will define an anchor tag. Let's define the href where it should take. Let's say our file name is contactus.html, so I will point to that, contactus.html. Let's close the double quotes. Let's close up the opening tag, and here I will add contact me text, and let's close the anchor tag. So this is what we have defined here is called as an relative link, and this is called an absolute link. And one more thing, guys, which you need to take care of is make sure these two files are in the same directory. These two files should be in the same folder. So that's it. Let's save this. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, there we have another question, and there is our contact me. So when I click on this, as you can see, it takes me to this page. This is how you can create multi-page website, guys. So I hope you got the point. This is how we can create links using HTML. This is all this is the HTML, which stands for hypertext markup language, right? The H and the T, which stands for hypertext, is actually called as the text with the links. All right. This is how web pages on the internet are linked together. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something about these links. So before we end this, please make sure if you haven't accessed the course playlist yet, please make sure you access it. The link to the playlist of this course is provided in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. So in the next video, we'll be talking about how we can add images to our website. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.